two trusted insurance giants, Liberty Mutual and Amica Mutual. Both promise peace of mind, but which one truly delivers when it counts? On the left, Liberty Mutual, known for customizable coverage and nationwide reach. And on the right, Amica Mutual, famed for award-winning customer service and straight-up policies. Let's push past the taglines and dig into what matters most. We'll score each category, so by the end you'll know exactly who comes out on top. And trust me, the winner might just surprise you. So here's what we're looking at: price, coverage, customer service, ease of use, and reputation. These are the areas that really separate one company from another. We'll hit each one head to head. First up, price. So with Liberty Mutual, they do offer discounts, like you get perks for bundling or for being a safe driver, which is cool. But honestly, their rates do seem to come in a bit higher than some direct competitors, so it's not always the cheapest out there. Now, Amica is actually kind of low-key amazing here. Their premiums are usually super competitive, especially if you're a good driver. Oh, and here's something cool: they have this dividend thing where you might get money refunded. Not many companies do that. The flip side, fewer discounts than the giants, but overall, Amica's got the edge on price. Coverage time? Liberty Mutual kind of throws it all at you. They've got auto, home, renters, some specialties, and you can add on extras. But keep in mind, certain coverages depend on where you live, so it can get a little confusing. Amica, on the other hand, is kind of famous for their standard coverage. It's just, well, better than you'd expect, and sometimes it includes stuff like lock replacement right in your policy. Plus, dividends if you want them. Downside, though: not as many options for, say, commercial insurance, and they're not available everywhere. But honestly, both are strong here. I'd call it a tie. Customer service? Oh man, you want your insurance to pick up the phone, right? Liberty Mutual's got a big network, 24/7 claims hotline, but reviews are kinda all over the place. Some people love them, others feel they're a bit, impersonal, and the satisfaction scores aren't always super high. Amica, if you ask around, people actually gush about their service. They're basically legendary for claims satisfaction and pretty much always nail those JD Power rankings. Only catch: some areas don't get local agents and their online claims aren't as fancy as the big carriers. But service-wise, Amica runs away with it. Wait, here's a random bit of trivia for you. Did you know Amica is actually the oldest mutual insurer for automobiles in the entire US? Seriously, they started back in 1907. That's basically forever in insurance years. Ease of use? Liberty Mutual's actually super modern here. You can do online quotes, the mobile app is well rated, it just feels easy. There are some occasional tech glitches, but nothing wild. Now Amica, it's simple. They have a super clear website and their docs just make sense. The only thing, they don't have a fully featured app for everyone, depending on what policy you have. So for digital tools, Liberty wins, but Amica makes it painless too, just not as high-tech. And reputation? So Liberty Mutual, big brand, financial strength, everyone recognizes the name. But lately their customer complaint ratios have been below average and they've dropped a bit in satisfaction rankings. Amica. Okay, they're not as famous among the general public, but in the industry, stellar. They're consistently at the top for claims, have a super low complaint ratio, and to be real, their reputation with industry experts is just better. So here it's Amica by a mile. Alright, let's put it all together. If you laid these companies out on a chart, you'd see Amica comes out ahead in price, customer service, and reputation, while Liberty Mutual does lead the way in ease of use. For coverage, it's neck and neck. Pretty cool to see it side by side, right? So bottom line, if you're the kind of person who loves great service, wants those dividend checks, and doesn't mind a company that's not a household name, Amica is your pick. But if you want a big-name company with all the digital bells and whistles, Liberty Mutual does hold its own. Honestly, either way, you're getting solid insurance, but Amica just pulls ahead for most people. Hey, if this comparison helped you out, drop a comment or let us know. And if you want more honest product breakdowns, don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.